Hey guys, this is Teacher Elo, and I'm here to explain when and what time. Okay, so when and what time are two questions, and we want to know what is the difference? How are they different? Okay, so here are the two questions, and I'll give you some examples. So what time, we can say, what time are you going to the store? Or when are you going to the store? They sound almost the same, but they're a little different. So with what time, the answer should have a number or an exact hour, like 7 o'clock, 3:30, 6:45. Those are the answers for what time. When you say when, it's usually a general time. This means any style time, like days, years, parts of days. That means in the morning, in the afternoon, later, or hours. So you can also say exact hours or numbers when we make the question with when. Okay, so here's an example. What time is your class? What time is your class? My class is at 5:30 p.m. My class is at 5:30 p.m. Alright, so here we have an exact number, 5:30. So it's okay to ask the question, what time? Okay, or if somebody says, hey, what time is your class? Or what time do you go to work? You need to tell them the number. Okay, and here at the bottom, I show you what is necessary with what time. So you need the number of the time or the exact hour. And it's okay to add the day. It's okay, not necessary. So I can say, my class is at 5:30 p.m. on Tuesday. That's okay. But necessary, very important, is the number. Okay, so the second question is, when is your class? When is your class? My class is on Tuesday and Thursday. My class is on Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so here the question when is very general. So they tell us the days, Tuesday, Thursday. So at the bottom, general time, all styles are okay. You can tell me my class is at 6:30. That is okay. That is a good answer for when. Okay, so any style with time, you can use when. Okay, and if you have questions about the prepositions like in, on, at, I do have another video about that, and you can watch it to help you with the time. Okay, let's do a quick quiz, so some practice here. This one's a little different. It's just the question, can I use what time? So for these answers, is it okay to use what time? Okay, so go ahead and pause the video. I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, I hope you paused the video. So let's see, there are two answers that are yes for what time. Okay, I hope you got those two. So if you say, I work at 6 a.m., if that's your answer, then yes, you can make the question, what time? Right? Or the movie starts in 20 minutes. Yes, the question, what time, is okay. Okay, the second one's a little different, right? The movie starts in 20 minutes. That is not an exact number on the clock. But remember, if it's 7 o'clock right now, I can add 20 minutes, right? I can do some math. So that means the movie starts at 7:20, right? So that would be a number. The ones that are not correct, the children eat in the morning. This is part of the day, so we need when. Jane's party is on January 12th. That is a day, so we use when. And let's get coffee next week. So that one is also in the future, not a number. So we have to use when. All right, so like always, thank you for your time and leave any comments and subscribe. Thank you.